Hi everyone, I'm Martin. Everyone wants to own a good value property, and environmental factor can play a key role in determining this value. For example, the price of a three-bedroom home at recently launched Live with Bambi and Piccadilly Grand can easily start from the high side of the $2 million mark. In addition, some new public housing is also hitting the $1 million mark too, like the 5-room BTO at Henderson Road and the Ang Mo Kio were transacted at 1.4 and 1.15 respectively recently. All this could be owing to their conducive location. In Feng Shui, the external environment play an important part in determining the quality of the property. As a matter of fact, about 70% of the Feng Shui can be contributed by the environment. Well, there are people who don't believe in Feng Shui and yet they are doing well with a career, with a business and their relationship. Perhaps they are living in a good environment that supports their life ambition unknowingly. So by connecting their property to its vicinity with the right orientation or facing, it can tap into the positive environmental energies, and this can benefit the residents enjoys good Feng Shui for good fortune and abundance for many years to come. Let's go through an illustration using Amour Residence. Based on its preliminary details, Amour Residence has two residential towers, assuming that they are both north-facing. It will be beneficial to have its main entrance exceeding the main road in the north, southeast, west, or south. These exits will be more preferred, allowing the homes at Amour Residence to be connected to its vicinity. For better people's luck related to health and relationship under the lens of classical Feng Shui principle, and the resident can prosper for the next 20 years into period 9. Let's go through another illustration using Live with Bambi. As the homes in this development is generally north-facing, and with the road junction between Arthur Road and Mountbatten Road in the northwest, which can serve as the chi mouth in this vicinity, where it is also the entry and exit point to the development. It will be more favorable, blessing the residents with harmonious life endeavors relating to people's luck, their well-being. Finally, using Sinica Residence as an illustration, based on its location and vicinity, the homes in this new upcoming mixed-use development will be more prosperous if their homes are aligned to facing south, overlooking the Tanah Merah MRT station at its frontage. With a supportive environment, one can further ascertain and enhance the quality within the home with a better floor layout that can be personalized, benefiting the residents with Feng Shui principles like the popularly known flying stars and the 8 mentioned. If you are currently selecting your dream home, perhaps not one of these developments as in the illustration, but on other new residential launches, take note of the impact of an optimum property facing with its external environment. If I end up, I can share more with you. I hope this short section is able to give you a basic concept about the importance of the facing of a property, as it can dictate the quality of its Feng Shui. You can actually visit my website for more articles relating to metaphysics and the Feng Shui consultation services I'm delivering. Check it out. Or perhaps you want to learn and move your Feng Shui knowledge to the next level, especially focusing on selecting your dream home. You might want to consider my upcoming Feng Shui online classes I'm conducting. So drop me a message if you're keen. And before you go, give me a like and share it with your friends and to those whom you believe is beneficial to them. Also, hit the subscribe button to get notified when we release more new videos. Till then, thanks for watching. I'm Martin Hong, signing out.